Today guys, I have something really important to show you. Lucas Deep Clean GDI. Can it destroy your engine? Well, according to the naysayers, yes. Take a look at these intake valves. You can see there's plenty of carbon buildup. Well, we haven't been using a fuel cleaner. Now we're going to come back with Lucas GDI Deep Clean. Check it out, an oil catch can, even an oil separator on the breather side of the PCV system. Direct injection engine, check. Now let's start the engine and get this test started. Can the carbon buildup being clean destroy the engine? We're about to find out. Now we're removing the air filter, but many say that carbon chunks can come loose and get lodged in the catalytic converter, damaging the converter. So is this true? Also, they say that it can become lodged within the intake valve and damage it as well. But is this true? Gasoline direct injection or port injection? Take a look at the directions. Spray past the mass airflow sensor. As you can see, we now have our vehicle at operating temperatures. Now we'll raise the RPM to about 2,000. We use this piece of pipe between the gas pedal and the seat to raise the RPMs. Now we'll begin the test and see if we can put all the naysayers to rest once and for all. Guys, I just want everyone to know the truth, good or bad. So make sure you share with the NIA community what your thoughts are, and do you have any experience using intake valve cleaners? If so, just drop a comment below. So far, no exhaust smoke. Now, guys, make sure you don't reach your hand in between moving parts. Also, do not reach your hand in around the exhaust manifold. In just one moment, you're going to see something that's absolutely shocking. Once we have used all of the intake valve cleaner, we will then drop the idle back down to normal. Then take the vehicle on a highway drive for about 10 to 15 minutes. Coming up, is it all real or is it just talk? Am I going to destroy my engine? Should I be concerned? We've seen some exhaust smoke. Finally, the moment of truth. Let's take our borescope camera and go inside this engine and see just what this is all about. We've used Lucas GDI Deep Clean in the past, and guess what? It didn't destroy the engine. Also, check out the other tests we performed. We've tested just about every cleaner possible. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.